I've got a headache.
How many times has this happened to you? You might be thinking, what am I doing wrong? Well, guess what? It's nothing. Hi, friends. My name is Ron Kugel, and I can help you make love. What's the fastest way to a woman's brain? The question has plagued science forever, but the answer is simple. It's the holes that are already there, her ears. It's science. That's why I've acquired thousands of cinema's sexiest sounds, and I'm bringing them to you on Ron Kugel's Sexy Sounds of the Cinema. What turns a woman on more than champagne? How about the sounds of hundreds of bottles of sparkling white wine opening in the movie The Great Gatsby? The great movie The Great Gatsby. Do you want her to think that you're a muscle-bound god instead of an overfilled sack of flesh covered in hair? That's track 12. The sound of Channing Tatum writhing to the beat of the band and Channing Tatum. Magic Channing Tatum writhing to the beat of... What woman doesn't love this classic, iconic scene from Ghost, starring Demi Moore and also Patrick Swayze. God rest his peace. It was hard to hear during the movie because of the stupid music that they played, but that's the sound of wet ceramics being pushed around by Patrick Swayze's firm man hands. But what woman could resist you now? None of the women. It's science.
Cinema. I bet Ron Kugel's Sexy Sounds of the Cinema really works. Thanks, Ron.
Act now, and you will receive the sounds of Gosling. Ryan Gosling kissing in the rain. Ryan Gosling driving soulfully in Soul Driver. Drive. Ryan Gosling punching Asians in Only God Forgives. Ryan Gosling eating ice cream out of his hands in Place Beyond the Pines.
Order now and you'll receive your first LP, then one a week for the next 26 weeks. Order Ron Kugel's Sexy Sounds of the Cinema and start making love the scientific way.
I'm Ron Kugel, and you should buy Ron Kugel's Sexy Sounds of the Cinema. Available on vinyl. Exclusively because